Hey guys, it's me, and I'm gonna play The Most Random Birds Part 2. Oh my god, Part 2 is finally out. And on the Angry Bird and 15 anniversary. So let's play. Ooh. Oh my god, Body Basic. Oh my god, oh my god, it's Body Basic and Granddad. Click. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're carrying him. And he's trapped in a cage. I wish I had my MacBook, but I broke it. Oh my god, Creeper. Oh my god, it's my funny bird. I'm really about to crap my pants right now. I ate a spicy chicken sandwich earlier and it's really hurting my stomach. Oh my god, his ability didn't activate. Oh my god, she still wants to fucking hang herself. Hold on. No, I didn't win. No to my ears. Yo, I'm just working on City Birds 3 right now. I'm running out of level ideas. I'm starting to run out of Angry Birds parodies to use the levels from. Please send me level ideas. I need them. I only need 4 more though. Oh my god, Charlie Brown is finally back. Dude, it's literally so back. Hold on. Oh my god. Oh man, I got granddaddy. Man. Everybody. Hold on. I can't see the power-ups. Oh my god, I can't believe Mega Gustin probably takes steroids. I'm gonna drop the ropes. My suffering. Merry Christmas. Oh my god, finally Baldy Basic. Work, Mr. Baldy Man. Oh my god, Golden Vampire. Oh my god, I didn't use the Mighty Eagle. Oh my god. Yes, Danny, I most certainly am ready. Loud Eye. I mean, Bro, stop glitching out. Bro, say you're from DDLC. You need to stop crashing out on me. A funny woman from Funny Game is gonna make me crash out with a hurt sound. Oh, Merry Christmas. Oh my god, 7 Granddad is here. Bro, hold on. I didn't put it go through. Hold on, I'm gonna drop the rope. And let's go. I beat it. Oh my god, they killed him. No more content for Vine Sauce Joel. No! I wanted him to upload more, even though I barely watch him. Moon Thieves, the King's Throne. Part 5. The Vampire Man. Oh my god. Bro. Bro, I was tapping my screen. How did he not open it? Alright, so now's the game. Oh my god, that's me. Okay, so that was the game. And oh shoot, I forgot to read the story. Better late than never, I guess. They're back. They're back. They're back again, and about time too. Oh my god, is that a previous E2 reference? The gang have taken a portal back to around the time of Jurassic Marsh, and I've ended up in the town of Bedrock. You're just like Minecraft Bedrock Edition. And something happened to Gus while going through the portal. That's why he looks different. The pigs have went. The pigs who went through the portal are now led by its 7 Granddad, who defeated the residents of the town easily due to being a high quality rip. Oh my god, let's see if we're gonna reference. However, he kept Fred Flintstone on a star that floats around him. And the pigs have kidnapped Baldy and put him in a cage. Jump back into this realm, which now has lore, by the way, with the most random birds too. Grand old swine. You probably won't have a yabba dabba do time, but oh well. And also the funny PNG image is still following the gang around. Yeah. I really needed someone to upload, and Ender posted this today, so that's 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 what I have today. So see ya, I guess.